What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my backyard. So here's my pool. As you guys can see, I just covered it yesterday, but I just want to give you guys a quick tip. If you're like me and you have trees all the way around, as you can see here, trees already starting to turn. This is actually September 16th, right? So the leaves are starting to fall, a little bit here and there, and my pool gets swamped over here with leaves. This whole area, I mean, for years what I used to do, I used to grab the skimmer and like skim all the leaves off the actual cover. But I learned a lesson a couple of years ago. There's actually a leaf net cover on here, and it's hard to see, but you can see it right there. So let me actually throw something on there and throw my key. You guys can see that this thing just sits there, and the best part about that is as the leaves fall, right, they just sit on top of here. As the wind comes, they literally blow it away, and when the springtime comes, there is basically nothing on this cover, right? Another nice thing I did, this cover here allows the water to seep through, so it never fills up. So I have my valves open throughout the whole winter, right? And anytime it rains, it literally pours out on the other side. So do yourself a favor, get yourself one of these covers that allow the water to go through. Get yourself a leaf net if you need it. Like I said, I have a lot of trees, but when it comes springtime, literally 10 minutes to clean that cover, and I never touch it again. About 3 years ago, I did a video, and I'll link it in the description below, about this cover, and it's actually the same exact cover, and it shows me blowing the leaves off the top. I don't even do that anymore. I just let nature take its course. It literally blows off by itself. A little windstorm comes, it just blows right off, right? I use these clips, as you can see here, right here. So I wrap it up like that, nice and tight. Use the clips all the way around. One over there, one over here, as you can see. So basically every section I put that on, and then that cover just sits there nice and tight, right? And throughout the winter I do go around keeping those things nice and tight, because the snow comes, I'll push it down, and then I'll go back, turn it on. But once all the leaves fall off, you don't have to worry about that anymore. But still, I still keep it nice and tight. So like I said, just a quick tip, guys. I'll leave the description below for the video, and I'll leave the description below for a leaf net cover and some covers. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time.